This is Solid Autotek. You hear me talk all the time about why it's so important to get a post-collision repair inspection. Now, we're not looking to say we're perfectionists. We just want to make sure that your car is taken care of perfectly because all we care about is your safety. It's not about money, it's not about time, just safety. So we took in a car recently that told us it had been rear-ended. Nothing too big, nothing too bad. They said the body shop put a bumper on it, but they said it was really loud. They wanted us to take a look. Well, we looked in the back, and we found unrepaired damage where the bumper was smashed into and the inner support was broken. Thanks. Fiberglass broken. The mount looks okay, but it looks like it transferred that force. Well, what's right below it? The exhaust. Well, let's follow the exhaust and see where it takes us. Well, the force follows us to the front, and as we're going down the exhaust, one thing I noticed is this dent right here in the catalytic converter. Like, how'd that get there? And then I'm like, oh, this moves around a lot. And that's when we find there's no exhaust hanger. It's gone. So why would it be gone? It didn't just fall off. It's got little rubber nubbies that keep it on. It came off because it was removed. Well, why was it removed? Well, it looks like there's this brand new piece of exhaust pipe welded in here, which is broken at the weld. But then we started shaking this and we found out that actually it's not even tight. But I'm sure the guys over at Northeastern Exhaust, whose name is on it, are proud of their part, which is not OE and definitely wouldn't have made it through an inspection on that catalytic converter that should have been replaced. So what does the exhaust push on? Well, the exhaust pushes on the back of the motor. So if it pushes, whoa, what's going on in here? Well, the mount on the transmission is actually broken off the transmission itself. It actually broke the mounting boss. We'll give credit for this little dog bone. It did its job. And because this trans is moving so much, rocking back and forth, now this axle is destroyed. So the real question is, what's next? So if you've got a concern about your motor vehicle, it was repaired at a body shop, you're worried, something's not quite right, it isn't quite what it was before, come and see us at Autotek. There is zero charge, zero, for a post-collision repair inspection. In this case, we're so grateful we did this inspection because this car totaled. It's a total loss. But they threw a bumper on it, they told somebody they were safe, and they told them to put their family in it. Autotek's open 365 days a year, 303-290-9900. If you have any concerns about your vehicle after a collision repair, please come and see us. In the best case scenario, you don't pay a penny and we help you towards that diminished value claim. In the worst case scenario, maybe you get a new car. If you want a new car, or you're worried yours should have been replaced, but somebody cut a corner, please come and see us.